What's going on, Lee Jones? How are you, my friend? Tell me.
I'm doing excellent, man. I'm doing excellent, man. Thanks to you and Kyle, man. I'm doing excellent, man. How's it going?
I love it. I love it. Hey, tell everybody who you are, what market are you in, and how long have you been in real estate?
Yeah, my name is Lee Jones. I'm in the Dallas market. Well, I'm in multiple markets right now, but I'm mainly in the Dallas market. This is my primary market. And man, I've been in real estate for about since 2013. Since 2013, I've been with Bryce and Kyle since about 2017. So, I say about 3 years or so, about 3.5 years.
Yeah, so 8 years, just over 8 years in the business, 3 years working with Kyle and I. Talk to us, talk to me a little bit about the difference in the last 3 years versus the previous 8 years. What's been your experience, Lee Jones?
Well, my previous years, like I said, I worked with a lot of different mentors, a lot of guys, a lot of well-known guys in the game, and I mean, I was closing deals, but it was little things about the wholesaling business that I didn't know. And when I got with like REI results with Bryce and Cal, it just took my game to a whole nother level for the simple fact, I never understood. They never talked to me about KPIs. Like that's one thing that I never heard of. So you talking about a guy that was in the real estate game for 4 or 5 years, and I never knew what KPIs was until I got with the academy. Since working with Bryce and Cal, I learned how to track my KPIs and strategically be able to map out like how much I want to make in a certain month. Those type of things I didn't know how to do. I was just working and just closing deals here and there. And once I learned KPIs and how to track, as far as like my leads, my conversions, and it just took my business to a whole nother level. So I most definitely appreciate REI results, Bryce and Kyle for everything they've done as far as that side of the business.
I love that. And that's one thing that a lot of people sleep on. They hire a coach or a mentor just to get their first deal or two. And then they're like, I got this. And they typically fall off after the first year or two. And that's one thing that Kyle and I have really tried to do is not just get you a deal or two, but to take your business to the next level. How has the last 3 years changed your life compared to the previous five and working with the REI Results Academy?
Well, it changed my life tremendously because I was able to elevate my game from not only being a solopreneur, but actually running a real estate business, being a having a team in place on the acquisition side, on the disposition side. So it's things like that that I didn't know, and I was 5 years in the game. So working
Yeah.
with Bryce and Kyle REI results, man, it's just worked wonders for me. It's opened up more time for me to spend with my family.
I love that. Let me ask you this, Lee Jones. If somebody was on the fence and they're looking at hiring a coach or a mentor or maybe buy a course or a program, and you've got all the different choices out there, why choose the REI Results Academy over everything else?
For one, I would say the accessibility of you and Kyle. So a lot of times when you team up with these other mentors, and I say I done been with every big name mentor there has, you don't have access to those guys. You may be talking to their brother-in-law or someone else, but you don't have access to those guys. So the thing is, they selling you on them themselves, but you would never actually have access to those guys. So with the REI Results Academy, you're able to have those conversations with Bryce. You're able to have those conversations with Kyle. And when you're spending your money on a brand and they're projecting it, they're putting it out as if you're going to be actually working with them, you kind of feel ripped off. I don't know about y'all, but I know about me. If I'm paying somebody thousands of dollars, I want to be able to have a conversation with those guys. I don't want to talk to their brother. I don't want to talk to their cousin. I want to talk to them because that's who actually I committed to working with, if I could say that.
I love it. What's been your greatest takeaway outside of building a team and tracking KPIs in the last 3 years of working with our team and together? What's been your greatest takeaway, Lee Jones?
Uh Man, just the family aspect of the academy has, that's big for me. I'm big on family. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So that's being major for me. And like I said, with REI results, man, like you're getting that family camaraderie. You know what I'm saying? So those are the things like that you can't put a price on. So not only are you learning, you're learning the different sides of the business. You're actually having, people that you can talk with, you know, outside of real estate. In real estate, you're going to go through, life going to happen. Life doesn't stop happening because you're starting a business. And I understood that. So, when I first joined the academy, I had a nephew get killed. And I was gone for maybe 2 or 3 months. But Bryce and Kyle, those guys reached out to me because they hadn't seen me, asked me what was going on, prayed for me, gave me the things that I needed outside of business. So you can't put a price on that. So, man, these guys are just wonderful, man. I love the academy, and man, I'll never join another mentorship after this. And like I said, I was joining mentorships every year. I don't want to mention names because this is not about them. It's all about REI results. But yeah, man, that's been key for me.
Bro, I love you every day, all day.
My name is Lee Jones, and I endorse the REI Results Academy.